In this pencast, we're going to be learning about faces, edges, and vertices of polyhedra. Alright, so this problem says how many sides, edges, and vertices does each polyhedron have? Alright, so the first thing we need to do is define faces, edges, and vertices. So we're going to do that here at the bottom of the page. So faces are just any flat surface on the polyhedron. Edges are the line segments where faces intersect. Alright, and then a vertex is going to be a point where three or more edges intersect. Edges. Alright, so let's start with this cube up here. So the first thing we're going to do is count the faces. So we can count the faces, we can actually label them on this. So this front face is going to be 1, top is 2, side is 3, bottom is 4, and then we got to get the back right here, 5, and then this side one right here, which is going to be 6. Alright, so that means that there are 6 faces on this cube. So if we've got that, now we need to go to edges. So edges are anywhere where the faces intersect. So on this top part right here, we can see that there are 4 edges right here. Right? So on the bottom, we're going to have 4 edges also right there. And then, we don't want to count any edges twice. So on these sides, we're only going to have these side edges. We're not going to have 4, we're only going to have 2. So that's, alright, so 4 plus all the side ones, which is 4, is equal to 4, 8, 12. So 12 edges. Now we need to count the vertices. Alright, so again we can count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got all of them. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 vertices. Alright, so let's move on to this shape. Faces. Alright, so there's this face right here, and then this face right here, right? This is a triangular prism, by the way. So we've got the bases, 1 and 2, and then we've got 3 lateral faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this bottom one, which is 5. So 5 faces. Edges. Edges we're going to mark with an X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3. Now we need to get all of these right here. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. So that's 9 edges. Now we need to count vertices. Alright, so the vertices are going to be 1, 2, 3. So this is basically all the corners. 4, 5, 6. And there's no vertices along these sides. So that's just 6 vertices. Alright, the last shape we have here, let's count the faces first. So this one has a base of a triangle, and then it has 3 triangles around the outside. So it's got the base, which is 1, and then it's got 3 faces outside. 2, 3, and this one in the back that we can't really see is going to be 4. So 4 faces. Edges. Alright, let's mark those with an X. So 1, 2, 3 on the base. I always start with the bases because those are the easiest ones. So then we go to the sides, and we go with 1, 2, 3 on the sides. So that's 6. And then we're going to go with vertices. Alright, so this one has 3 vertices on the base, but it's not a prism, so it doesn't have another base up here at the top. It just has one point where all these triangles intersect. So it only has 4 vertices.